So if you have been looking for a heavy duty weight bench that is super easy to use, adjust, and move around, check this guy out. This is the YOLEO commercial heavy duty weight bench. And I got this guy and I am fairly impressed with it. A couple of things I really like about it. So one, this adjusts super easy and it has markings for the degree that you have up when you're adjusting this. So like this is 30 degrees and then this is flat. And you have the same thing over here on the seated position. So check this out. I can do this. This is 30 degrees. This is 15 degrees. This is 0 degrees. And the heavy duty side of this thing. So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and step on this guy and I am jumping up and down on this guy and it is not budging at all. It's got a fairly wide stance here in the back. And then one of the things I absolutely love about this, check this out. So I'm going to lift up here and there's a lift handle right here. Roll this guy around. There are wheels on it. Check that out. Wheels. And I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the degree markings for this upper part of the bench. So all in all, I really like this thing. This is going to be the bench that I am using in my gym, and I highly recommend it.